This quick learning, we will be creating dumbbell chart in Excel. Here we have set of data having gross domestic product like GDP growth rates for different countries during COVID period and the last year 2020 and 2025. These are the approximate percentage, not the real one. Okay. And to create dumbbell chart, we will be using this data. Why it is called dumbbell chart? Because the shape of this chart falls as dumbbell. Here you have two circle, in between there is one line. So it look as dumbbell. That's the reason we call this as dumbbell chart. Okay. And to create this chart, select the data. You will go to insert, line chart. Go with the fourth option called as line with marker. We will be creating a line with marker chart and converting this into a dumbbell shape. Now for dumbbell shape, we don't need the lines. Okay. To delete that, you will just select that and format. Okay. Select this line area, x-axis. This is the x-axis, y-axis, like two lines are there for 2020 and 2025. So let's select the first option. Okay. Selected. Go to fill and no fill. Yeah. Select this. Go to fill and no line. One line is gone. Select the other one. Similarly, no line. Now line options are disappeared, like not there. Then we will select the marker field. These are the marker. And to make changes or to increase the size, you will select that. Go to fill. We will find this option as marker. Under marker, we will change the color. For the top one, let's go with the green. Okay. And green, and even this has the border. So remove the border color. So remove border is, we don't need the border. So no line. Border color is 0 and color is green. Okay. Click outside. Now we can see green color. Now to increase the size of this marker, same. Go to marker option. Under marker, we can see marker options. So marker option and build in size. Let's increase this size to 15. Now we can see green circles highlighted. Okay. Similarly, we will highlight this one as red. Select the bottom marker and go to fill. Click marker. Same way, what we will be going with color as red and border as no line. Click outside. Now we can see red color, and to increase the size, just select that marker again and go to marker. Under this, we can see option as marker option and built-in size will be 15. Okay. In this way, we can increase the marker size. Now I need the line between these two points. For that, you will just double click on that chart. Once you do double click, here one option is highlighted called as chart design. Under chart design, we can see field as add chart elements. Okay. Chart design, add chart element. In this, we can see option as lines. Okay. Chart design, add chart element, go to lines, and in line we can see option as high to low line. This will add connectivity from top to the bottom. So high to low lines are connected. Now to increase the size of this lines, okay, select that line, go to fill. Okay. Fill, and this is nothing but the border. So increase the size of this line. You will increase it to, like, dumbbell size is 15, so let's make it as 12. And you can change the color, say go for some light color. Okay. Now remove this grid line. Just select, double click on that grid line and you can delete. Remove the x-axis, select the x-axis and delete. Even you can move this legends on the top. Okay. These are your legends on the top. So this year, through this color, we can highlight 2020 is in red 2025 are in green. And now coming to this country we can see in the center. Why? Because x-axis falls here, but we have value as -2. So we want to move this country either to the top or bottom. For that, this is nothing but the your x-axis. Okay. Same legends. You want to move this legend to bottom. So you can move under more option. We can see so legends. Okay, not this one. Let's concentrate on the x-axis. Just select that x-axis once again. Okay, and go to this axis. See here we can see fill, then effects, and this one as axis. Here we can see one option as legends. So let's go for that legend option. Labels. Okay, labels. It should be this. These are nothing but the label. This is also label of the x-axis, and these are y-axis label, and these are the legends for the x-axis or label. Then this label you want next to the axis. This is just next to the axis. Instead of that, we can go for high or low. So let's go for low here. So now countries are shifted to the last. You can highlight this to bold, even this one as bold, and change the chart title. Let's make undo. Okay, highlight this and the chart title. So I want the chart title GDP growth rate. The same text which is mentioned here, I want the same text to be visible in this box. For that, you will select that title and you will do equal to from your formula bar. In formula bar, you will type equal to and select the cell for which value should be present in that box and enter. So whatever value you write here, same value will be visible in your chart, like GDP chart using GDP using Dumbbell chart. Same heading. In this way, we can create a Dumbbell chart, and let's move this chart to the next of this page. Okay. Yeah, somewhere. This is the Dumbbell chart. In this way, we can create Dumbbell chart in Excel using line with marker. Thank you for watching.